Can we get Netflix for free? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can get Netflix for free. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So many people have been wondering if we can get a free trial of maybe a month or two for Netflix. Now, Netflix does provide a lot of subscriptions and packages, but we have not really heard of any free trials provided by Netflix. Now, there can be some deals, some percentage off of your monthly subscription for some offers which you can get, but I do not think that there is any possible way you can get a free Netflix account. So let us figure that out. So this is the website of Netflix. This is the help center, and there you will notice that Netflix free trial is not available. Now, they do not provide free trials, but they do give you the freedom to change your plans or cancel at any time if you decide to not use Netflix anymore. So I hope this answers your question, guys, and yeah, that is basically all for this video too. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.